So, what was that? Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys down in the basement, and if it cuts off, then that means the phone died. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you outside. Okay, I'll show you outside right now. So yeah. Okay, I don't care. It's probably just my cousin. Yeah, it's my cousin. I know it was. I saw her. She was right there by the camera. Okay. Okay, guys, I just thought I saw something. Just gonna... Hello? Okay, guys, well, I'm just gonna forget about the noises and try not to think of them. Guys, the chair is moving. Guys, the chair is moving. The chair is moving. And the chair is moving. Just move back. I think that's just my cousin trying to trick me. Because it's kind of funny. Okay, well, let's get to baking some stuff and making food. Making sure nobody's over here. Oh my gosh, I'm stepping on the ice. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. You're exciting. Your eyes do me. That doesn't matter. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make this brown rice, and I'm gonna see how it tastes. And I'm gonna put something in it. Okay, tell me if you guys see anything. What was that? It's freezing cold outside and I'm starving. Okay, that was a nightmare. Down the drain. No heaven, hold carefully. Well, yeah, guys, something's going on. I think someone. Oh my gosh, water's spilling from the fridge. Hey guys, I'm gonna check. It might take a second. I don't know. I hear something doing. Wait, Hope? Hope's not here. Hello. I heard laughing. What the heck? Bro, she opened the freezer. Bruh. Yeah, I'm just gonna think about that. And it's closed. You guys might think this is all fake. Maybe I'm just trying to have fun. Maybe there really is something though. I don't know. I don't know how to make this. no clue how to make this, so that's why I'm gonna try to make it. It takes 1 minute. Let's see. How much water do we use?
None.
Okay, I just found instructions. Oh my gosh! Since she opened the oven. Oh, he. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Bro, the monk. What's that? I feel like I keep on hearing noises that are really scaring me. To the outside voice in my mind. Do you guys hear that? Comment down below. It's just the wind howling. How much water did you put in this? Heat on high for 1 minute. How much water? 2 cups is... What? Pizza plate? Pizza pan.
Oh, yeah, I'll make it.
Okay, guys. Look, it's my cousin over there.
Okay, so we just made some rice. And
Guys, this is behind the scenes of the creepy video. I'm joking. Actually, someone else is our monster. The monster is our monster. The piano's playing. Oh my gosh. I have no clue what's going on. I'm gonna go outside for a bit. Guys, it's a really nice day out. Oh, someone's chasing me. Oh my gosh, someone's chasing me! Oh my gosh, guys. Breathe. It's so scary. I'm outside with my cousin. She just checked what was going on. And like, oh my gosh. It's so scary. Oh, guys, I don't eat my dinner now. For lunch, I'm exhausted. I'll see you guys in part 2. What was that? What was that?